Let the sun or the moon shine in when your Lincoln vehicle is equipped with a panoramic Vista roof with power shade. This glass roof not only ventilates the interior when open, but provides a beautiful skylight when closed. The panoramic Vista roof allows for an open-air driving experience when fully retracted, and the solar reflective glass helps keep the cabin cool and blocks harmful UV rays when closed. The panoramic Vista roof can either be vented or fully open, depending on the driver's personal preferences. With the Vista roof closed, the power sunshade provides total coverage when privacy is desired. To open the roof, locate the switches on the overhead console. There will be two switches, one for the roof and the other for the sunshade. If the roof is fully closed, first press and release the sunshade open button that has the arrow pointed toward the rear of the vehicle. The sunshade stops short of the fully open position for the comfort of the rear passengers. To fully open the sunshade, press the control again. To vent the roof, press and release the switch with the word vent on it. To fully open the roof, press and release the switch with the arrow pointed toward the rear of the vehicle. To close the roof from either the vented or fully open position, press and release the switch with the word vent on it. To close the sunshade after the roof is closed, press and release the sunshade switch. When closing, the sunshade will stop at the first panel of the dual-pane roof. Press and release again to fully close the sunshade. Thank you for watching.